Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever opened the DoorDash app and realized your delivery address is wrong or outdated, you know how important it is to fix it before placing an order. Even a small mistake in the address can lead to delays, missed deliveries, or orders going to the wrong location. The app does allow you to update your address quickly, but if you don't follow the exact steps, it might not save correctly or show up during checkout. Whether you're ordering from home, work, or a new location, keeping your address updated ensures smooth and accurate deliveries every time. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your address inside the DoorDash app properly, and try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on your profile or account icon. Step 3. Select the address section from your account settings. Step 4. Enter your new delivery address correctly. Step 5. Save the updated address in the app. Step 6. Select the new address before placing your order.